Welcome guys, this is Cryptomania and I will going to review another coin called Friend. Friend is a unifying platform and there is a short video about here, so let's take a look about it.
Imagine your own secure cloud-based computer, a truly decentralized system that you can always access anywhere you go on any device within reach. With all of your most used programs, virtually unlimited processing power, and a system that truly protects your needs and privacy. You just imagined Friend. The Friend Unifying Platform is the world's first open-source virtual cloud computer, designed for decentralized, secure computing and built for blockchain technologies. With the rise of blockchains like Ethereum, the new internet is decentralized. The only thing missing was harnessing this power to create a full computer operating environment, until now. After 3 years of full-time development from a visionary team and based on powerful open-source technology, which today is found everywhere, our free platform brings together the raw power of the decentralized network and is the operating environment of the internet. Find out more about the Friend Unifying Platform at friendup.cloud.
So that's it. So what is a Friend token? So Friend token holds the economic model of the Friend network. It aims to introduce a fairer model for trade between individuals and commercial entities. It tries to nurture stronger privacy and personal ownership over their own data, property, and subscriptions. Friend is also a means for incentivizing the organic, user-driven growth of the infrastructure nodes in the network. Friend Network Token will be the token for the blockchain operating system. It will be the only means of direct payment in the Friend store. In addition, it will be a means of reward for infrastructure contributors in the Friend network. So the Friend will be used to pay for applications and services in Friend store. Just like a centralized app store, the Friend store will offer the convenient way for users to find applications, games, and digital services. Friend will allow developers to offer subscription models. We plan to cooperate with the new emerging service providers like License Rocks to offer the state-of-the-art functionality and fair revenue sharing for both developers, content creators, and other creatives. Third is a Friend will be rewarded to users who run Friend servers. The Friend core will contain functionality to enable microtransactions based on transferred bytes, as well as storage and CPU usage on a participant's systems. End users will be able to choose to connect to the nearest access node to a farther node that might be cheaper. Friend will also be rewarded to Friend workspace users who offer legitimate services through the Friend store served from their Friend client either in a web browser or Friend app. So here are the 5 pillars of a Friend Unifying Platform. Friend tries to attain a value of 5 words: freedom, intelligence, empowerment, privacy, and integration. These values are found in the very soul of the platform. So first is freedom. Freedom is a driving force of peace, freedom of choice, freedom of movement, freedom of thought, freedom to innovate, freedom to speak and communicate. Our project seeks to protect these freedoms by spreading Friend far and wide, turning over the ownership of the technology to the users themselves. The platform offers all users a choice in tools that are available anywhere they travel. Tools to conceptualize ideas, They can build their own apps online and distribute them in seconds. They can communicate using powerful instant messaging and peer-to-peer video conferencing software available to anyone on the internet. And they can do all of this to any computer with an internet connection united from any single device. Second is the intelligence. Intelligence is fundamental to personal growth. It protects our freedom by allowing us to solve problems and make informed decisions. We want to help advance people's personal development by enriching their intelligence through access data. Intelligence through access data processing. Through access to applications. Through accessible and easy to use services that can automate tasks. Friend is a platform that will stand by your side and help you get more insight into your life. Third is empowerment. Empowerment is the distribution of opportunity through a capability. And by making Friend free and open, anyone from all over the world gets access to powerful tools and vast storage space. It helps distribute increased access to education, employment opportunities, and upward mobility. Friend users are powerful, and they get unrestricted access to build their future without needing to pay for the service, lowering the bar for personal movement all over the world. And the fourth is privacy. Privacy is important to achieve functioning democracy. The ability to keep secret is not only good for individuals, but it is good for protecting others from raw, unarticulated information that can be wielded to seed false narratives and misunderstandings. Privacy also protects the individual from structural or corporate abuse, where your data is sought for money and control. In Friend, we work vigorously to protect users' privacy. By encrypting on all the user's own device, we protect the data before it is stored on the server. By allowing anonymous access to Friend network, we allow this user to choose if, how, and when to expose his or her identity. And last is integration. Integration is a simple way to simplify. Digital structures are getting increasingly complex and integrating data, devices, and services. We try to organize and complexity in simple forms. By aggregating a user's piece of internet pie into workspace, it can clean up the information into disks, directories, and applications. It allows a user to clean up the internet like you would clean up a room in a bookshelves, drawers, devices, furniture, and ornamentation. And it allows a user to integrate his or her digital life. So the Friend token has a 2 billion maximum supply. So here's the team. They have a dynamic team from the CEO to their team members to their advisors and evaluators. So guys, this is not a financial advice. Do your own diligence. Do what you want to do. Thank you for listening and stay safe.